Hi everyone, my name is Suman Dua. I'm a registered migration agent based in Australia. In today's video, I'm going to talk about student visa refusals and how we can help you appeal your case at the Administrative Review Tribunal or the ART. Now, before we dive in, it's important to understand that appealing a student visa refusal to the ART is only available to applicants who lodged their student visa while they were in Australia. If you applied from overseas and your visa was refused, unfortunately, you do not have review rights at the Administrative Review Tribunal. If you applied onshore and your visa has been refused under the genuine student requirement or for other reasons like incomplete health checks, insufficient financials, or missing English scores, don't lose hope. In many cases, it is absolutely possible to win the appeal, especially if you continue studying and present a strong case. Let's begin with why student visas are usually refused. Now, the most common reason is the genuine student requirement. This means the department wasn't convinced that you are a genuine student who intends to stay in Australia temporarily. They may question things like your study history, gaps in education, your economic or personal ties to your home country, or your overall immigration history. But a refusal doesn't always mean your case is weak. Sometimes it's just that the evidence wasn't strong enough or the application wasn't clearly explained. Other common refusal reasons include health assessments not completed, English language requirements not met or test results not submitted, financial capacity evidence missing or unclear, or simply a poorly prepared application. So who can appeal to the ART? Now here's a very important point. Only applicants who lodged their student visa while they were physically in Australia have the right to request a merits review at the ART. If you applied offshore, you unfortunately do not have access to tribunal review rights. But if you were in Australia when you lodged your application and it was refused, then you typically have 28 days to lodge a review with the ART. And that's where our team comes in to support you every step of the way. When you appeal a visa refusal at the ART, your case is reviewed by an independent tribunal member who will look at your application with fresh eyes. This means they are not bound by the original decision of the Department of Home Affairs. They can consider new evidence and listen to your explanation, often through a hearing or interview. We work closely with you to draft a detailed, genuine student statement that directly addresses the refusal reasons, gather and present updated and relevant supporting documents such as enrollment records, financial proofs, and personal circumstances, prepare you for your tribunal hearing, and ensure your submission meets all legal standards. At the tribunal hearing, the member will ask you questions, review your documents, and give you a chance to explain your situation directly. This is not a court, it's a merits review, and the member is genuinely interested in getting a full and fair picture of your circumstances. And that's where we really add value. We make sure that you're fully prepared, your case is structured clearly, and you feel confident going into the hearing. So if your student visa has been refused and you applied while you were in Australia, don't panic. You still have a strong chance to continue your studies through an appeal at the ART. At Nationwide Migration and Education, we have helped many students successfully overturn refusals and get their lives and studies back on track. Every case is different and time is critical, so don't wait. If you need help, get in touch with us as soon as possible. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on Australian visa pathways. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.